Well, good morning. We're up at the cabin and it's breakfast time. A lot of people ask, why don't Jen put together a couple cooking videos? I think I'll do that. We could do that. So, this morning she's trying something new. I don't know if it's going to be good breakfast or not. It's going to be McGriddles. She's going to attempt to make some McGriddles. This is the first time. I am the guinea pig. I volunteer all the time. And I'm pretty honest and brutal because I don't want to eat something twice that I don't like. So this is test kitchen at the cabin. We're giving it a whirl. It is McGriddles. So let's get started and see how this comes out.
Just gonna throw a couple of hash browns on the griddle. Saw a little oil on there. See, when they do their videos, they I just wiped it all up. They probably have everything put in little bowls so it's easier. I'm like throwing it together. Don't you feel like a McGriddle has the syrup in the pancake?
I guess.
So I'm thinking.
I don't eat too many McGriddles. I think I already had one in my life. I don't really eat at McDonald's too much.
No, but when you do.
Yeah, I think it was once.
See if I can make really nice round pancakes. I'm gonna try to experiment. It's all an experiment. Try it again.
Looks delicious.
Right.
Is it done yet?
Nope, not yet. Alright. Now, do you want eggs on yours? Yeah. I don't want eggs on mine.
Best part of waking up. This big white coffee in your cup. Damn, we're gonna get a record deal.
Sure. look crispy. Oh yeah.
Looking good.
Salt action. Sausage. Got one egg. One egg. Sausage. Hash brown action. There you go. Sausage McGriddles. McJenn's. Sausage McJenn's.
Now for the test. The test taker at Jennifer's test kitchen today.
I don't know, I just like dreamt of it or something. I'm hot.
Hot.
Can you taste the maple syrup?
There's a hint of maple syrup.
That's good.
It is very good. But there's only a hint. McDonald's has like a really heavier, the one time I had it, maple syrup.
Yeah.
But
In the batter.
this is definitely good. This is a make it again.
Something different.
Something different. Something different. So, I hope you liked this quick episode today. This is how Jennifer made breakfast at the cabin this morning. We tried something new, never done before in the kitchen.
I'm not the most,
I'm thinking about maybe having a series of Jennifer cooking. Maybe the series will be called Brittany's Bitchin' Kitchen. That is a long, ongoing joke here in the family. Jennifer cooks very well. She taught Brittany how to cook pretty well. And we always said Brittany should start her own diner someday. This is before she went to college and before she has the job she has now. And we were like, yeah, we should start a little diner called Brittany's Bitchin' Kitchen. So this is where it will live out. Delicious. So until next time, I'll see you on another episode.
That's all I have for you today, folks. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.